Okay, this has got to be the best carnivore bread I have ever made. It's made with only 3 ingredients: unflavoured, natural protein powder, egg white powder, and 1 cup of water. I start by tipping my 1 cup of water into my bowl, along with 1 scoop of my natural protein powder. I tip that into the water and then lightly mix it up. And then I go ahead and get 1 scoop of my egg white powder. I tip that in as well, and then I whip that up on high speed until it's nice and thick like this and forms stiff peaks. And then I transfer that into a baking tin. I try and smooth it out as best I can, and then I pop that in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes, and this is how it came out. Now I'm telling you, this was exactly like normal bread. It had a thick crust, it carved up exactly like normal bread, and it was so light and fluffy on the inside. I cut it up while it was warm, so there's still some steam coming out. But look at this light, fluffy texture. Oh my gosh, I was in heaven. It tastes exactly like normal bread. The crust on the outside was exactly like normal bread, but this is made with only 3 ingredients, guys. It's going to be so much better and healthier for you and your kids, so why would you make anything else? It's nut-free, grain-free, yeast-free, and sugar-free. Not only is it packed full of protein, it's also very low carb. You can have it plain like this, or you can toast it up and make toasted cheese sandwiches, or you can toast it up and put something else on top of it. I personally liked it warm, fresh, and fluffy. Absolutely delicious. Let me know what you think in the comments below.